Hello friends, welcome back in our online class. Let's continue with our subject EVS. In previous lecture, we have learnt the need of houses. Yes or no? And we have learned the definition of shelter. So let's continue with the next point. Animals who build shelters for themselves. Okay? You must have seen birds' nest. Nests are shelters that birds build. Birds are afraid of animals that eat eggs, so they need a safe place to lay their eggs. What is the name of the shelter of the bird? Nest. Yes or no? Birds build nest because they are afraid of the animals that eat eggs, and that's why they are searching the safe place to lay their eggs and to keep their young ones too. So these birds, they build nest. There are animals that eat these young birds also. Birds keep their eggs also in their nest, and afterwards when young ones come out from the eggs, they do keep their young ones also in the nest because these young ones are small. Some animals can eat them. So they are not able to defend these animals. They cannot fly. So these birds, they keep their young ones in the nest so that they will be safe in the nest. Then they use things like grass, straw and twigs to build nest. What do they use to build their nest? Grass. Everyone knows grass. Available in the environment. Straw. Straw means dried grass. And twigs. Twigs means what? Small sticks of the grass. They are using all these things and they build their nest. This makes the nest soft and warm inside. What makes the nest soft and warm inside? Cotton wool and pieces of thread and string. These birds, they also use cotton wool and pieces of thread and string because they want to keep their nest soft and warm inside so that they can keep their eggs also, and afterwards they can keep their young. Students, all nest of the birds are not alike. Different types of birds having different types of nest. So today we will see the nest of weaver bird and the nest of tailor bird. Okay, birds choose suitable or convenient places to build their nest. First they will choose the place, suitable place. Look at the weaver bird. It chooses a thorny tree which has some branches hanging over water. If you will see in the picture, you will find that weaver bird is choosing a thorny tree and having so many branches, and it will choose the branch which is hanging over the water, and then it builds its nest on the highest of these branches. Weaver bird will build the nest on the highest of these branches which is hanging over the water. Animals that eat eggs find it difficult to reach this nest. Why they choose this type of branches? Because the animals which are eating eggs, it is impossible for them to reach at this nest because it is hanging over the water. Let's see the nest of the tailor bird. Tailor bird is a smaller than a sparrow. If you will see in the picture, you will understand it. It selects a plant with bigger leaves and builds its nest by stitching the leaves together. If you will see in the picture, it will select a big leaf, and with the help of this leaf or with the help of these leaves, it will make its nest. And for that stitching, what do it use? It uses a fine tendril to stitch them together. What is mean by tendril? Tendril means a thread like structure. which you will find on the climbers mostly. This tendril is very useful for this tailor bird to stitch its nest. Okay, this little nest is big enough for the little tailor bird, and this small nest which is made by the leaves, and this nest is not small for that. It's enough for that tailor bird, because tailor bird is very small bird, and easily it can go inside this and can keep the eggs also. So today we have learnt all about the nest of different types of birds. We will continue with the same topic tomorrow.